All right, so Burger Coin is kind of one I'm looking at on my radar. So the 15-minute chart is in a falling wedge. I don't go off of this indicator only, but it's come more confirmation. It's a buy and sell indicator. The blue line is saying it's bullish. The red is saying to sell. The RSI is ready to go on the daily. The 4-hour is high, so that is a concern for me. The 1-hour chart, though, is about to reverse the upside, and I'm basically waiting for an entry point in the 15-minute because I probably will enter this trade later tonight. Sundays are higher risk trading. But when the 15-minute chart resets, I'll probably get into a trade. Then I'll look at the 7-minute. If the 7 and 15 are low, I'll enter a trade tonight on this. But realistically speaking, my time is 10 p.m. So it could be late tonight when I enter the trade, midnight or whatever. I don't know. But I have my alert set right here on the 15-minute chart, and then I'll check the 7-minute chart for confirmation. But the measured move is about 25 to 30% conservatively, which if I go to the 1-hour chart, this is how I got it. If you don't want to use the wicks, then that's how you get it. From top before the wicks to bottom without the wicks. If you want to use the wicks, it'll probably give you another 5% or so. But I'm just not going to do that because I want to make sure if I do plan on exiting, I'll exit early. Now, if we go to the 4-hour chart, zoom way out. This coin was at $3.50 just a few weeks ago. I think Bitcoin has bottom and it's going to go to 30K here in the next 2-3 months. I think this is going to, you could do a swing trade on this and take this all the way back to 350 in my opinion. Because I think a lot of these alts are going to go have a nice rally back up here. You could kind of say, I mean, this was a falling wedge I drew. It didn't really break out, but was a falling wedge. It might be just taking longer to play out. The breakout target on this falling wedge, I would like to say that was probably the bottom right there. The breakout on this falling wedge would be, what would the price of that be? Yeah, 450, 447. So I'm not saying you should take a trade that far. 30% would be nice gains. But honestly, if you want to do a swing trade on this, this is a potential one to watch. None of this is financial advice, but this 4-hour chart would say the falling wedge, if this is finally breaking to the upside, would say $4 to 450 is the target. That would be a very nice trade. But I would say if this is going to play out, so that would be 173% gains. I would love to be in a trade that long and have that be the take profit. But I do think if you're giving a trade on the 4-hour chart based off of this idea, this would probably be like a few week long trade. It would be 1 to 3 weeks in my opinion. I don't think it's going to take longer. If we're going to get to the target, I don't think it'll take longer than 2 or 3 weeks to get there. But it's not probably going to be a day trade or like a trade that's going to happen in a week or less. It could be. I mean, it's a small market coin, can pump very fast. But I think it would take probably a few weeks to play out. So I mean, yeah. So that's kind of what I'm looking at, short-term and long-term on Burger. With that being said, guys, that's all I got for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate it if you like and subscribe. And if you guys have any other requests for other videos, let me know, guys. We are live tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. Central Time. And if you guys would like to join my Telegram group, the link is in the YouTube description. I'll see you guys tomorrow.